Thanks for watching your local plumber's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's get right into it. The homeowner called in, said she heard water running underneath her trailer and it smelled bad, so I crawled under and this is what I found. Looks like a break in the pipe. Stay tuned. So this is what we're dealing with. Got a little gray water leak, which has caused the insulation to get wet. We're removing all that. Then we're gonna make the repair. Okay, we found the problem, guys. Looks like there's a big leak. Big break. We're gonna repair it. Cut right here. Cut right there. 2 ferncos. Piece of stick. Re-insulate it. Retarp it. We're out of here. So we cut out the bad spot. Line's a little congested. Let's make this repair. Alright, repair's all done. Use the husky bands. No mice or rats are going to be chewing up these. Obviously gluing it's the best, but this is the best situation right here. I'm going to go ahead and throw a strap on it. The next step is to re-insulate, put the vapor barrier back on. Oh, I love crawling. Oh. Time to go buy the insulation. Come buy some vapor barrier. Stay tuned. Got the repair done. Got the insulation put back in. Now we're doing the vapor barrier. Alright, we got the vapor barrier all put up. It's all sealed. Now it's time for cleanup. And we're out of here.